coffee, egg cream, 2 shots of espresso.
Or you can use leftover strong coffee from the morning, right?
Yep.
This is good because you're cooking while it's still daylight out, so this is a nice little pick-me-up.
It is a pick-me-up. Then we're gonna do Kahlua. You guys all know Kahlua.
Coffee liqueur.
It's a coffee liqueur. I'm gonna do 3 ounces for 2 drinks, 1.5 ounces for 1 drink.
So double shot espresso, or about half, 3/4 of a cup of strong coffee.
And then gonna add some half and half.
We only need 1 shot of that because we used to just put in 2 creamers per drink.
Yep. What she said. So then, that's kind of the drink.
That's the base of the drink. Of course, an egg cream is mostly seltzer.
Well, we've got the seltzer right here. But before we add the seltzer, we're gonna shaky, shaky, shaky.
I always love to do the close-up on the shaker.
It's your moment.
It's my thing.
It's your thing.
Pour it into a like a tall glass.
A Collins glass. The next job I had after that was bartender. That's why I know that's a Collins glass.
And then we're gonna top that off with some just club soda, seltzer, whatever you got lying around. And that is gonna taste exactly like an egg cream, except it's gonna have a little bit of boozy thing happening in it.
And it's gonna give you a little pick-me-up because it's got the espresso.
A little espresso.
Lovely, honey.
Thank you.
Very apropos.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers, everybody.
Oh my gosh, that's delightful.
Ooh.
Ooh, that's delightful. Delightful.